So it's Friday the 13th today, and I can't believe it. We've come to the end of WWDC 2025. I wanted to cover 7 features that I think both for users and developers are going to be groundbreaking and that I don't think people are covering. Let's start off with the biggest one, coming to CarPlay. I don't know if you've come from my app or if you've seen my TDS video app, otherwise known TDS CarPlay. Essentially, it allows you to watch videos in your car, not compatible with iOS 26. However, that doesn't matter. Video support is coming to CarPlay. I've no idea how to implement it. I've tried to find out how you do it, but it is coming. So prepare yourselves, guys. You're going to be able to watch videos in the car. That is a banging win. Let's talk about a more user-centric one in this design interactive snippets. So if you're using shortcuts or like app intents to return information to the system for the user to interact with, you're now going to be able to interact with custom views from applications. So if you're designing an app intent, you're going to be able to return a custom view that allows the user to interact and it looks like your application. And I think both for users and developers, this is going to be really good if you want to integrate your features elsewhere in the system. This is a more developer-y focused one, but PassKeys are now adding account creation APIs to do setup upon running the application if the user doesn't have an account. And I think that this is going to be good. It's going to migrate everybody from a password future to a passwordless future, which I think we really need so that you've got no phishable factors. I think this is a really good one. Which one should we look at next? Let's look at a very good user-based feature, which is the new AlarmKit API that's come out. So users now will be able to have applications schedule alarms and countdown timers and stuff. You're not limited to the built-in application of clock. It can now be customized in a certain style and be shown to the user. Sorry about that, I got interrupted by a phone call. But I think this AlarmKit API is going to be really revolutionary for users who want different apps and different customization. It's not always as simple as set the alarm for that and have it do this. You might want to do some more advanced stuff, and you can do that with this. So let's go for a more developer-y focused one. Both of the last two, I've got 3 more. So let's talk about this quantum secure cryptography. I think that this is a very early approach to it, and I think they've probably done the right thing here. So essentially what they've allowed you to do is do on-device cryptography that they're claiming to be quantum secure. And I think that that is very good, as we are now starting to get to the age of quantum computers and quantum stuff. We're going to need cryptography that is secure against it. And I think the fact that they are bringing network implementations, both on-device and for network connections and stuff like that, that is going to be quantum secure, I think that is a brilliant idea. Let's look at a user-focused one that you can implement. It's the new ability to see flights and new updated passes. So PassKit in Wallet app has had a major redesign with what the UI looks like, and it's now looking like this more modern and sleek view. It also supports flights and the ability to share the flight with somebody else. So say you're on a flight and you want to send it to your friends or your family, you can send them a shareable link to that extension that they can view on their device to track your flight. It's also apparently going to dynamically update arrival times, gates, and stuff like that without you having to send any of that data to the extension, which I think is very clever. So the final feature, which is very much a developer-focused feature, but will help you, if you're using an iOS app, get faster assets and downloads, is Apple is allowing you to host additional assets and materials that your app requires in their servers. So it's near the user on their CDN, and the device will automatically download and offload the features as you request them in the app. And I think that's quite good. It saves bundling it in the application, having very large application bundles. It allows you to do some more speedy improvements, and it's going to be working straight out of the box. even before the user has opened your app for the first time, we can have downloaded background assets. Bingo. That's kind of all of the features I wanted to cover. These are some of the standout features that I think will be good for this year and next year and future iterations. But I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one.